Hey everybody, Van Girl Cheryl here. I am going to cook something for you. I know I said I suck at cooking videos, and that's why I'm doing this. So I think I got a little better prepared. I got myself some extra space, so I thought I'm gonna give it a go. Instead of saying I suck at it, I'm going to say I'm going to improve it. So come along with me while I make a what you got in the fridge version of chicken cordon bleu, I think. Anyway, it's I'll show you as I go along. But here we go. Oh, before I get started, got a new thrift store find. I don't know if you can see it, I'm so sure it's here. But it says Incorporated Hamlet of Tuktoyaktuk and Land of the Pingos. Does anybody know what a pingo is? Put a comment below if you think you do. And don't cheat, don't look it up. See if you know. Hey, where's my button? There it is. All right, well, let's get started, shall we? I'm just going to bring it down a little bit. There we go. So you can see my mise en place. Oh. Is that gonna work? That's gonna work, folks. That's gonna work. Don't fall, don't fall. So all I got going on here is, I'll show you underneath, but salt and pepper, paprika. Always when I'm cooking chicken, I use paprika. And Lorry's. I've taken a hankering to Lorry's these days. I used it on a pork chop there a few nights ago, and man, was it ever good. Then I have some, oregano, which I'm spilling all over the place. Some ham, just some jumbo, just some regular ham. It's not Black Forest or anything like that. And I forgot to take out my mozzarella to defrost, so I'm using a blend that I had in the fridge. Got me tongs, because I also have my toaster oven over there. Yeah. Got my tongs, got my toothpicks, and I already used this. This is, you know what this is? This is a meat tenderizer. Look at that sucker. She's a heavy duty one. But I already used it, because underneath my mise en place, I have more mise en place. These are my chicken breasts. This. Hey guys, this is a good idea for you too. It's a bowl of water. Not my idea. It was, it's Chef Jean-Pierre, Chef JP. I'll link his channel below. He is a funny chef. I mean, he's a chef. He had his own restaurant for a long time, but he does this. He has a bowl of vinegar and water, and he just uses it to wash his hands all the time. And I like that idea. I'm not a big, I'll use gloves, but not a big fan. You can't really feel what you're working with, you know what I mean? All right, so off comes the top. We've got some nice pounded out chicken breasts here. Bom, 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 bom. First thing I'm gonna do is spice. So, let's do that. See? This oregano wants to go. Wants to go. Okay, since I'm gonna spice, I need to dip my fingers in there. There. So, let's give it a little oregano. When you're spicing, guys, not that I'm a big pro or anything, but go about a foot above whatever you're spicing, and then just, you know, twinkle your fingers together like that. Twinkle. And then you get a more of an even spread of your spice. Do the same thing with salt and pepper. Oh wait, I'm not gonna use this salt. I take that back. I'm not gonna use this salt because I'm using Lorry's seasoning salt. And the paprika has a shaker too. So I'm just gonna shake these ones. But if you're using like a dried herb like that, or you've got the salt, oh geez, just Generous with the paprika I am tonight. Look at that. Better make sure that little guy has a little bit more there maybe. And some Lori seasoning salt. Bada bing, bada boom. There, and that's my salt. And this also has a little bit of a few herbs, and it also has some garlic in it. So just a smidge though, smidge. Better put the lid on this oregano, but I'll spill the whole thing again. Okay, done. And just pepper. Pepper is all we got left. Some pepper. You guys, I like my stuff spiced up. Not necessarily hot spicy, but I like the flavors of the spices in there. All right, so now, the next thing I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do cheese first. Or wait, no, I'll do ham first. Because then the ham and the chicken can get all together. See that? See how perfect that is? These are aren't deli slices of ham, but they're sliced ham, you know? Sliced cooked ham. So they look deli-ish. But they were hand sliced here. So look how perfect. Ooh. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. So we'll see what I'm gonna use here because I bought some cooking twine. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it because I just have toothpicks and sometimes I use toothpicks, but I haven't done this in forever and a day. So that being said, we're just gonna go with it. Just gonna go with it, folks. There we go. I'm gonna put lots of cheese, guys. I don't mean to call you guys, sorry about that. Folks. I don't know why I'm saying the other. Folks, my folks. There we go. Oh yes. You know, eventually I'm gonna, there'll come a day when I'm not able to eat cheese. So I'm getting it in now, man. I love my cheese. I love my cheese. And you'll notice that I do use cheese in a lot of my dishes. Cheesier the better. Cheese and butter. I know. Okay, so, true test. I'm not talented, so I have to line it all up. Let's see how this roll's gonna go. Oh, that's not too bad. I think I'm just gonna toothpick it. I'm just gonna toothpick it. There. And when you're cooking anything rolled up like this, you want to put the end piece, you know, on the bottom so it'll seal good. Yeah, that's what you want. So anyway, there's numero 1. Come on, baby. Oh my goodness. This is like, I was supposed to cook these the last 2 days for my dinners, but I haven't been feeling well, right? So I have to do something with them all at once, and I decided that this, because this was gonna be one of the meals, so I just decided for shits and giggles to do it this way. Then I have 3 pre-cooked ones. Yeah, I'm gonna have to twine them. Twine them. I don't know. There we go. Oh, dead air. So, oh, this one doesn't wanna, she's still a little too fat. Didn't pound it out as much. Uh-oh, I'm missing a toothpick. All right, so you know what? I didn't bring scissors and I don't see any handy. Oh, I guess there's knives handy. I'm not sure. What do you think? Should I bind them? What do you think, guys? Should I bind them? Maybe, eh? Just a little one. Just a little one. So I'll just grab a knife. Okay, here I am. Oops, we're going lopsy-daisy here. We're about to fall. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. Maybe just a little more there. Okay. Okay. So, see, there you go. I just learned something new again. Because I wasn't sure I was going to use the binding twine. Or the, not binding twine. I'm going to kidnap somebody and use binding twine. No, I should have had it prepared, see? But even though I wasn't sure if I was going to use it. So, that being said, I am going to cut them in 1 foot lengths. So I need 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry if this is a little boring. Ugh. But I tell you what, it's going to be bloody brilliant. All right. Come on, baby. Yeah, I didn't nearly cut them long enough. That's okay. One is better than none. I'm not going to waste more twine just to make it look prettier. But you know what I mean about the wrap and coming through. These are too small. Just a little binding, and plus those toothpicks are in there. We're good. We're okay. Don't have to worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yep. The nice thing about being your own cook is you can do things however you want. You want more cheese, put more cheese. You want more ham, put more ham. You know? Make the kitchen yours. That's what's best about it. Favorite spices and yeah, that kind of stuff. I get all worked up. So we're just gonna do that. Another piece somewhere. There it is. Not that I'm serving. Thank God I'm not serving these in a restaurant, right? This is Shirley food. This is Band Girl Cheryl food. This isn't for presentation. All right, there we go. So, that being said, got my handy dandy little toaster oven. I'm gonna put some foil on there, so save this for another time. Here's another thing chefs say, you know when you're putting your foil in your pan, you know, shiny side up reflects the heat, and dull side up doesn't, and it's just like reflectix, you guys. It's gonna reflect the heat. It's silver. It's gonna reflect the heat or whatever. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. So it doesn't matter. Put it in wherever you want. Nobody sees it or cares anyway. That's kind of straightforward, but it's true. Oh, look at that. That's bloody brilliant. Okay, so that's that, and that's how she's going in the oven. And I think, yeah, because I'm filming on my phone, Here, let me bring it back up. There. There. Put you back on your perch. There we go. I don't know why there's a different clock ticking up there. Oh my goodness, 15 minutes and 30 seconds. Well, that's not too bad. And I didn't do too bad. However, look, I didn't do anything Gordon yet today. I don't want Gordon to be disappointed. But I got the hair going on. And let's see. Well, I don't know. I just think, how about this? It's bloody brilliant. Oh, brilliant. No, that wasn't very good, but I'll leave you with that. Happy New Year, and don't forget, if you see someone without a smile, you go ahead and give them yours. All the best to you in 2025, and I will talk to you soon. Hey, live coming up. All right, ciao for now. See ya.